Hello, industrial grade Teflon tape solution by Jiao Tao. Material, pure PTFE coating, UL certified non-toxic. Performance, continuous heat resistance, thermal stability, MILS TD 800 tin waterproof. Precision, 0.075 millimeters thickness, 5 millimeter 20 millimeter width, 100% no fiber residue. Application fields: high temperature sealing, electronic insulation for vehicle leak prevention, certified, ISO 9001, RoHS, REACH compliant, OEM/ODM support, custom specifications for bulk orders. Contact us for free samples. Technical consultation.